See, look at you. You still keep your money anywhere it is not appreciating. That is very bad. See, some of you, you keep your money in the bank, you keep your money, you just save the money. You don't save money nowadays. Go and put your money into use, because it will keep depreciating every day and every time. I am not advising you to go and put your money in Ponzi scheme, because they take your money away from you. What you need to do is put your money into business, into investment, a sure investment. Don't put your money into an investment that is not going to generate enough for you, or that the investment will take away your money and at the end it will be a scam. That is not what I'm asking you to do. Stop keeping money at hand because of the rate of the world's inflation nowadays. Go and put your money into use. Stop keeping money in the bank. Some people do that. But if you want your money to appreciate, to increase, to multiply, then you've got to keep it in a business or an investment. That is the only way that you maximize your money, or else your money keeps going down in a way that you yourself will not like it. Now, what are the investments wherein you can put your money? An example of a real investment that there is nothing depreciation will affect it. No depreciation will affect it. An example is a real estate business. The real estate business. What is real estate business? A real estate business is not necessarily until you have built an estate or you have acquired a lot of properties. No, you can start your real estate business with just one landed property or a housing property. So that is how you begin a real estate business. Let me tell you, in the real estate business, your money does not depreciate. It can't depreciate. It can't be devalued. Devaluation cannot affect your money. If you don't have a business where you can put money, at least if you have a tangible amount, try and gather it for a while or put it into treasury where they can keep it for you, and then after some years you can get your money back. What am I saying in essence? Keep it till you are able to, at least if you can acquire a landed property. If the money you have at hand is not enough to start, try and build up the money for a particular period of time. Don't let it be too long. Even if it is the bank that you keep the money, make sure you find a way of fixing it, whereby they will not be reducing it, it will be added. It will be a fixed deposit. It could be for 2 years or 3 years. Just make sure you keep it there in a way that you're keeping it there will not be depreciating, and then you can gather more money to it. After gathering the money to it, added to it, then you get a real estate business or a landed property, as I said before, and then build something on it. Or if the money is enough to get a house or a building or a ready-made housing property, get it. It will help you a lot in making sure inflation does not affect your money. It's very important you look into this thing. That is using real estate as a mean to get it. If you are this guy, you are among those who invest in crypto. Many speculation came up around crypto. Many times ago, there have been a lot of speculation. Oh, is a bubble? Is it this? Is it that? About how crypto will fall, will crash. Since crypto has been introduced, since Bitcoin specifically started. Yes, of course, the people will say all this. Yes, they've said it, and it has been proven over time that it is not true. For long years, Bitcoin price currently, as I'm speaking now, is above $50-something thousand, and that's a huge amount of money. So where I'm going is, even crypto could be an asset to you. It could be an asset to you. It could be something you can put your money into if you are a person who is ready to wait for a long time, who is ready to wait for a very long time, because crypto is a long time investment. If you can keep your money there for years, from Bitcoin started from dollars, from ordinary number of dollars, now is in thousands of dollars. You get my point. If you can do that, crypto is also an avenue. You can even buy the smaller ones, the smaller cryptos. It's not necessary that you have to buy Bitcoin again because it has gone far. You can go for the other very sure cryptocurrencies, and you can also go into physical business instead of just keeping the money in the bank or keeping the money into something that is not really adding value to what you already have as money. It will be appreciating in one way or the other. To avoid losing much of the money, you can actually get it into a physical business wherein it will be a form of trading, a form of selling and buying. In that way, you are able to to encapture your money into something that, even though it's not bringing so much interest, it will still be increasing. That is physical business. Then some people actually go into lending. Yes, lending. When you lend it out like that, as you are lending it out, it becomes meaningful, as in you get your interest back. As you are getting the interest, when you loan it out, it becomes a loan business. A loan business, like you give it out to people, so they pay interest in return, and in that way, as they are paying interest in return, your money is not wasting anywhere it is. Your money is not wasting anywhere it is. You are working towards something tangible, something meaningful. The interest they pay on the money you lend out, it becomes your own gain, and then the money will not depreciate. I make this video especially for those who have some money and they don't even know what to do with it. They don't know what to do with the money. They keep the money. They keep keeping the money somewhere whereby the money keeps reducing in value. It keeps reducing value. And sometimes even when you are keeping money, if you are keeping money, the money you are keeping, don't let it stay like that in the house. It's very important that you keep your money not to be kept, but to be kept in business, to be kept in investment. I made an example of real estate. To be kept in what? Physical business whatsoever it could be. Circumstances could arise, and then as the circumstances arise, it consumed your money. That is, you have to spend on those circumstances, challenges, this and that. But as your money is in business, although you have a little saving for emergency, but then the main money will be affected if you are not putting it into something meaningful, into a business, into whatever will be bringing in more gain for you. It's very important you don't just keep your money like that. Let your money be on the move for you. Let your money gain more money for you. Don't let it just stay like that in your bank account where you are keeping it. Make something happen for yourself. I think Bitcoin is not yet up to 3 decades of starting. Now is around that amount. There are ways of keeping money to avoid depreciation. I hope you gain something from this video. I'll see you next time. Bye. If you want your money to keep depreciating, then you gotta keep it in the bank. If you want your money to keep depreciating, then you gotta keep it in your hand. If you want your money to keep depreciating, don't put it into business. To keeping your money. If the money is not enough yet and you don't want to keep it in the bank to avoid loss, and capture your money into something that, even though it's not bringing so much interest, it will still be increasing. See, physical business is a way forward.